Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Trendy Fashion. I hope you all are well, doing good and doing great. That's nice. Greetings are really important before starting the video and before starting anything else. And I hope so you are watching this video with good health, good mind and good mood and with good condition of health as well. God bless you all. Stay blessed, stay happy and stay tuned to my channel. I know my regular viewers were waiting of my latest videos. So guys, your wait is over. I'm here again with one of your another favorite topic. I am showing you beautiful bob haircut ideas. I am presenting different bob haircut ideas like pixie bob haircut, layered bob haircut, pixie bob layered haircut, graduate bob haircut, A-lines, wolf haircut, undercut haircut ideas, graduate haircut, simple bob with chin length, with shoulder length, with long length, with short length. In this video, you can select your favorite one hairstyle according to your hair texture and face shape as well. You can select your favorite hairstyle according to your personality from this video as well. If you are searching for the video and you are want to get your desired haircut, short haircut and bob haircut, then this video will solve your all problems, because I am presenting the ideas how to cut your hairstyle and how you style your haircut ideas according to your personality, and also share this haircut and hairstyles with good hair texture and also with different hair color ideas which are going on trending and will be in fashion these days. According to the fashion of 2025, I am sharing all the beautiful haircut and hairstyle ideas with beautiful hair fashion. You can select your favorite one according to your hair texture and personality and choice as well. Well, you can select your favorite one haircut and hairstyle from this video and go on with your base color as well, or select your favorite one shade according to your choice and according to the fashion is up to you. Well, these all haircut ideas and hairstyles are really gorgeous that will change your personality and give you a good look and enhance the beauty of your personality. So ladies, don't waste the time, just take a screenshot of your favorite fun haircut and hairstyle with your favorite hair color as well, and go to your hairdresser and get this hairstyle. And also don't forget to share with me that which haircut and hairstyle you select from this video and choose for yourself. You can share with me through comment section, and you can also share your ideas that what kind of video you want to watch next. It will be my pleasure to make video for you guys according to your choice. And you can also share this video to your friends, family members and social contacts. In this way they will get updated with fashion and trend. And one more thing, this is really important and amazing, is that after getting these hairstyles you don't need to style them for a long time. After getting this hairstyle you will be ready to go anywhere